OMG, have you seen the news? Euros, Germany's largest economy, now runs on Zebec. Germany now runs on Zebec. This is the breaking news 22 hours ago from Zebec Network. Germany is Europe's largest economy, generating more than 4 trillion annual economic output and home to more than 3 million companies. Together with AllUnity Stable and Stellar, we're bridging regulated digital euros into real-world business operations through employee benefits and enterprise payments. From Europe, first on-chain government benefits distribution program to enterprise payroll, stablecoins are moving beyond trading and everyday payments. Seems that way. Now here's the full press release from Zebec Network right here. Read BCS News breakdown how it's working alongside AllUnity and Stellar. And Stellar's on there backing Zebec, of course. Guys, I think this is a huge partnership for zbcn. The zbcn chain being utilized with Stellar. I believe there's going to be payroll applications that there's NDAs we can't even talk about. The regulated digital euro, real world impact. Now this is the whole article right here I found on CoinMarketCap. Understanding the collaboration between Stellar, Zebec, and AllUnity. AllUnity and Zebec have started paying European workers in a regulated euro stablecoin. Woo! On June 25th, 2026, the two firms launched a pilot that streams employee benefits and payroll in the EUAAU, AllUnity Euro-backed token, across the Stellar network. Staff in the program are paid directly into the digital wallet. That shows you guys technology being utilized. The pitch is simple. Most stablecoins actively still revolve around trading. This is one of the clear attempts to use compliant Euro token for something ordinary, getting people paid. Interesting. What the pilot does, the core feature is streaming payroll instead of waiting for monthly to run to clear. Employees and contractors earn by the second, with funds selling on Stellar in seconds rather than days. Euros does the selling. It is fully reserved and redeemable 1-to-1 for the euro. That backing falls under the EU's Market and Crypto Asset Rules, or MICAR. Interesting. The pilot targets large European enterprise clients and partners. Workers can hold their earnings in a wallet, move them, or spend them through Zebec card product, which support Apple Pay and Google Pay. This is kind of interesting. I remember there was a place you could upload your meme on the super app. I wonder how that's going. We'll check back on that later. The goal is to skip the delays across cross-border fees that come with traditional bank transfers. Regulated stablecoins are increasingly moving from financial infrastructure to a worldwide business application. Simon says. Simon B, CEO of Zebec. Simon says. You know, Simon says it. It's official. Simon says. Alexander Hopter, CEO of AllUnity, framed it as a turn towards utility. Employee benefits and payments are a natural use case for regulated digital currencies. He said, who are the parties involved? AllUnity, Zebec, and Stellar. Now this is interesting. Zebec Network is a real-time payroll payment company founded in 2021, backed by Circle, Coinbase, Solana Ventures, Briar Capital. It started on Solana and has grown into a multi-chain covering payroll, card, and treasury tool. Guys, this is a thing. There's a massive movement happening on Solana right now. This is why Zebec, I believe, will also move to Solana, which we're going to talk about that momentarily. Also, guys, you know, I've been a huge fan of Jed McCaleb and Stellar for years, since the birth of Ripple, since Mt. Gox, since OpenCoin, since eDonkey. Stellar is the payment-focused public blockchain. Now, here's the thing. Stripe is a partner with Stellar. AllUnity is a regulated e-money institute based in Frankfurt, a joint venture of DWS, Flow Trades, and Galaxy. That's interesting. It also issues fully backed MCAR compliant stablecoins, including the Euro and the Euro, Swiss franc, and the Swedish krona. How this piece has come together, the pilot did not appear from nowhere. in the meeting point to 3 separate tracks. March 2019, 2026, Stellar Development Foundation selected Zebec as a global stablecoin payroll provider. Zebec's native deployment outside Solana. That work went live as an enterprise payroll on Stellar on June 5th, initially selling in USDC. On April 13th, AllUnity brought the euro to Stellar for regulated euro settlement. The two companies had also agreed earlier that Zebec would serve as the preferred partner. Woo! The June 25th pilot ties those threads together. AllUnity, the Eurocoin, Stellar Rails, and Zebec streaming engine aimed at the European payroll, which in return should bring more eyes to zbcn, the future of payments and payroll. Why it matters, this collaboration leans on the specific bet. European firms want speed on-chain payments cannot touch without Zebec. I add the without Zebec part. Token without clear regulatory standing. The Euro Mecker license is meant to remove that hesitation, while Stellar supplies cheap, fast settlement, and Zebec handles the payroll mechanism. There we go. This also builds on Stellar's recent momentum. The network has been pulling in regulated euro issuances and institutional flows through 2026. More exposure, more teams, follow the money. And you guys also know Zebec just was also as a retirement through IRA Capital. Zebec's being utilized. Working payroll use case that gives activity somewhere concrete to go. AllUnity launches on Stellar. Zebec brings streaming payroll to Stellar. AllUnity Zebec payroll partnership. Stellar Q1 2026 network update. That's some interesting information right there. And I believe we did cover this article a few days ago. AllUnity and Zebec deploy employee benefits on Stellar. But like I said, they just came out with this through Zebec's post last night, actually. Germany is Europe's largest economy, generating $4 trillion in economic output and the home to more than 3 million companies. That is interesting right there. Also, guys, I am going to get back into the swing of things of dropping a video a day, but I have to cover some of this news. It's almost, are you sitting down? Are you sitting down? Now, everyone knows that I'm super bullish on Solana DeFi. zbcn runs on Solana. zbcn was live on Coinbase through the Solana DeFi options. Now, if you guys are not following this Ansem meme movement on Solana, who has the next 1000x meme, this is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. I just want to show you some of the money that's being made on Pump, and it's like, whoa. Now you guys, I'm seeing why I say follow the money. I think Ansem became like a millionaire over and over. He says we're going to make so much money the next 6 months. And right here, watch this. Here goes the proof. Ansem is now at $71 million in his wallet. His wallet went up to $71 million. Now, I'm trying to figure out how that happened, because they said he didn't launch the token and people are maybe just sending him the token. And somehow he's distributing the creator reward. I'm looking more into it as we speak. I've been reading into it this morning, how this works. But the Black Bull, $71 million in a wallet. Holy moly. Ansem is now up over 50 million. So it went from 50 million to 100 million to about 150 million. Just then, Ansem hit an all-new all-time high at 150 million market cap 14 hours ago. It's called the Black Bull, which I'm not recommending getting it now. I have no idea, will it go higher, will it go lower? Even Solana Hub is tweeting it. Ansem sends first. Who's next? And then Ansem is saying, he's going to distribute the creator rewards in different ways. Solana glory days will return. Everyone is coming back to Solana in 2026. Top chains, Solana overtook Ethereum, Base, and Binance. Top chain, Solana. I told you guys Solana was going to do big things. Top projects on Solana with highest TVL, Jupe, Ratum, Securitize running on Solana. Imagine we meet at breakpoint in the ice cream van on Solana. Be careful with that. They use copyright music with that. Just then, Stellar adds institutional tokenized gold backed 1-to-1 by LBAMA. And Jake I mean, guys, so basically, Ansem is now at 71 million in his wallet. The current move, the Phantom Bulls are breaking loose. Soul rallied 6%. Oh, Monkey flipped green this morning, 2%. Monkey was flipped green, 2% right there. We had a floor of 25K. Guys, you might want to stay tuned. Things are going to get very interesting the next couple days. You might want to like, comment, and subscribe. The next 2-3 days, things are going to get very interesting. Opportunities are going to increase tenfold, I believe. Mark my words. You know what time it is. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm documenting my journey on the evolution of money. This is for entertainment purposes only. Yeah, Solana super cycle has arrived. Monkey, JAHM, location Coinbase, Phantom, Serum. Look at that right there. This is the movement I'm saying. If you want to understand, watch this. I want to show you one thing. Solana meme coins will create millionaires this year. It did. If you actually go to Pump Fund, live on Pump right here. Let me show you something here. Saying Ansem 1 million times live. Oh, this guy is saying. So basically, he must be doing like some type of contest. He's saying Ansem 1 million times live, and I guess he's gonna. That's kind of interesting. World record attempt. So I guess that's what he's trying to do. So like they have like these different features on here. This is what I'm saying. Solana, it's a big deal as far as, you know, to be able to create an asset or or individual create an opportunity. Okay, so we'll say Monkey right now. We'll just show you Monkey's at 25K floor right now. And if you go to Ansem Black Bull, it's at 118 million. Or so no, it's 157 million right now. 157 million. But let me show you some of the data. Ansem has distributed roughly 7 million of Ansem to strangers. So he's gave away $7 million. Like his wallet went to 70 million, he gave away 7 million. Do you understand what's going on here? Follow the money. The money is decentralized, not centralized. And matter of fact, let me show you one more thing that backs up my proof. If you go to today's trending topic in news, go to Explore, Trending, you're going to see what? Michael Saylor, they just figured out a way to start selling Bitcoin. I'm telling you, it's a massive shift happening. Look, stronger credit, stronger quality, right here. Let me show you. So Michael Saylor is saying that they did some type of deal. Bitcoin strategy announced a digital credit capital framework designed to strengthen capital, enhance liquidity, but they're going to sell $1 billion in Bitcoin. With 2 billion USD reserve and 1.25 of BTC monetization cap reserve. So basically, he's trying everything in his power to make sure this. I mean, I don't know, guys. We're going to talk more about this later. But here's what I'm saying. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts on this whole me movement on Solana. And millions are being made in our face. How much of that are you going to make? How much of that are we going to make? Buckle up. Download your Phantom wallet. It's a self-custody wallet. Get your bags ready. It's game time.